definitely there, but I think because there isn't a lot of belief in the quality of work, they end up stepping back. You know, in the panel we have an artist, Prince is an artist, so this is something that we've constantly scrutinized ourselves, whether the artist there, the artist definitely there. The artist definitely there, because there isn't a platform for these people to grow or to look forward to, you know, where their work is. You know, if you, I don't know how to put it, but if you rub shoulders with people that are of a certain level, it inspires you to either outgrow the old and become a new, right? But if you haven't got that platform to say perform with Michael Jackson, you know, then you don't think that there's a possibility. Do you understand where I'm coming from? So if we have this festival that we have, our artists, they're not supporting artists, they're artists. Like everywhere that I go, I've been to many festivals around the world.